To read Level 2 market data on Robinhood, start by understanding what Level 2 data is. Level 2 data provides a more detailed view of the market than Level 1 data, showing the best bid and ask prices from multiple market participants. First, ensure you have a Robinhood account with access to Level 2 data. Then navigate to the stock you want to view. Look for the chart or stock details page, where you can usually find a button or link to access Level 2 quotes. Once you have accessed the Level 2 data, you will see a list of prices and the number of shares available at each price. The prices on the left side of the screen are the bid prices, which are the prices at which buyers are willing to buy the stock. The prices on the right side are the ask prices, which are the prices at which sellers are willing to sell the stock. The best bid is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay, and the best ask is the lowest price a seller is willing to accept. The difference between the best bid and the best ask is called the bid-ask spread. A narrow bid-ask spread indicates a liquid market with many buyers and sellers, while a wide bid-ask spread indicates a less liquid market. To get the most out of Level 2 data, look for patterns in the bids and asks. For example, if there are a large number of shares available at the best bid, it could indicate strong demand for the stock. On the other hand, if there are a large number of shares available at the best ask, it could indicate strong supply. Best practices for using Level 2 data include monitoring the data in real time to stay on top of market movements, using the data to inform your trading decisions, and combining the data with other forms of analysis, such as technical indicators and fundamental analysis. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively read and use Level 2 market data on Robinhood to make more informed investment decisions.